Yeah, I'm a one touch people. Morning. Big up on yourself, you know. Hope and stay safe out there and stay warm because it's a very cold time right now. But anyway, we're going for the work and we have one work van where we're going to prepare it for shipment. I prepare one van for shipment, one Ford Transit. And I'm going to put in some seat tonight to get it shipped out. So I just want to show you how I do that. I just want to share that experience with you guys. Alright? So here what happen. Ride with me to work. Bam! As I get this thing done. Come with me. Yeah man, it's a rainy day, you know. Be a rain fall out of those. Look. Be a rain. But guess what happened? You gotta do what you gotta do, you know. So rain or shine, they are them a place, you have to go and work same way. It could have cold, it could have snow, no matter what type of weather. You have to take up your ass and go and work. You feel me? Inside there, ride with me as I travel along, alright? Yeah man. Alright guys, catch you when we reach our work, alright? Cool. are the chairs I'm going to install in the Ford Transit. The Transit is one of these buses. I'm going to get it prepared for shipping. So I'm going to pull it up near to the building and install these chairs inside of it. Stay tuned. So this is the row I'm gonna put in. I did remove the back row, so I'm gonna put seats all the way in the back row. Alright, stay tuned, let me do that right away. So these are the tools I will be using. And an impact driver. Just show you. Remove this bolt here. Be a rain falling, no? Rain no stop fall. Alright, the next one is a different size. This. I'm gonna pull this off. Just all it like, push your finger like there. Pop right out. This is the screw for the seat belt that will bolt it on the seat itself. Yes, for one touch fans. Rain terrible out that door. I couldn't show you the install, but I get the seat them installed quick and fast. I get the seat them installed, and next time I might can walk you through and show you. But I get all the back rows and everything installed. Van is ready for shipment, you know. Yeah man. Yeah, good 19-seater, you know. So everything gets installed now. So now we might just now parking back in the parking lot and wait for shipment to come for him, you know. Yeah man, pretty piece of van, you know. And may I tell us that them drive so good. Yeah man, Ford Transit, them drive real good. Nice pretty piece of van. Alright my adventure friends, stay tuned. Yeah man, respect you every time. Please remember, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and subscribe. Alright? Yeah man, big up on yourself. Adventure people, I never get to show you the full install of the seats that I installed in the Ford Transit van that I prepare for shipment. Because the rain man, a whole rain fall, and even right now I'm talking to you, rain is falling. But however, I get it done off camera because I never want to wet up my phone. I was using my phone to record. And not my group, and not my DJI water camera, so I never want to mash up my camera, you know. So like how I never get to show you the real install of how I do it. I just give you an idea of how I might do it. I never really show you the install. Well, I never drink like water. I do rain a fall and the time is not hot, feel thirsty. I love drink water though. I'm not litter, guys. I'm right beside a dumpster, I'm not littering. Alright. I head on back out. So, I just want you to drive with me. I'm just giving a little more video of the road, you know, on my way down driving. Just a little quick video of the road driving, alright? Yeah man, stay tuned. kind of ease up now, but it was a lot of rain anyhow. Lot of rain. And the rain still falling. This rain, we haven't get any sun from this morning. So this rain now, to me, it seems like this rain now is gonna be like a night rain. In Jamaica, when we say night rain, that means that no sun not come out and the time just look bleak. So that's how it looking, just bleaky and chilly. So this is a rain. Should I catch you with a bowl of soup, catch you at home, up in your bed, and watch a movie or something, you know. But however, what them say, you still have to go out there and grind it. So if you're still at work, because you still have to go work, you know. So that's one of them things there. But stay tuned and just drive with me for a bit.